This is day 134, and today we are looking at how to now set up a procedure that will initiate these macros. Then tomorrow we'll look at now setting up the time to run the event. So for us to be able to run these macros with the workbook closed, we are going to use VBS script. So let's go straight to the VBS script and see how it works. So this is the VBS script. To create a VBS script, you use the text file. So this text file, you use the text file, then you change the extension to VBS. Let's just quickly open the VBS script I'm using. So I can say edit, because the moment I double click it, it will start running. So I will say edit, or I can say open with Notepad. Okay, you can see if I say edit, it will open with Notepad. So in this VBS script, the only thing you would want to make sure of is, number one, I'm using the current directory, where I'm getting the current directory where I have saved this text file. So in this case, this is the current directory. But I have to make sure that my Excel workbook is saved in the same directory as this text file. Then the next thing you are seeing here, you would want to change is this part here, where I'm talking about the name of my file. So this is the name of my file. The third thing is the macro that you want to run. In my case, I want to run two different macros with 3 seconds apart. So here I'm just making my VBS script sleep for 3 seconds. Then it can continue running the second part, which is sending the email. So it will do the run. Or let me just open the macro that is running. So the Runall is this macro here. So you will see here there are two parts to it. So when I'm specifying the application I want to run, I say I want to run Runall.RunAll. So what I'm specifying is the module that I want to run and the macro. So module.macro Runall.RunAll. Then if it's now send report, it will be send report.send email with snapshot. Or I can just specify the macro. So you don't have to specify the module as long as you have unique names. So in my case, I have unique names, so I can just specify the macro that I want to run. Also here, I could have specified the macro that I want to run, but the name of the macro and the name of the module are the same. So I would have to now specify both of them so that I can direct my VBS script to know that this is the module and this is the macro I want to run. Otherwise, it wouldn't know whether I want to run the macro or the module. So this is the VBS script. Let me just give you an example, a test here. Let me just copy this part, paste it here. Then we can say what we want to do. We want to just do a message box to display the current directory so that you can just see how it works. So it exactly works as VBA, like message box is the same wording that I say current directory. So this is the message that is going to be displayed. Then let me just save and close. Then I can go and change the extension to VBS. It asks, do you want to change the extension? Yes, I want to. Then I can run this. You can see there's the message box. It was popping on the other side of my screen. Let me just run it again. You can see this is the link to my file, which is exactly as the same as this one. Yeah, let me open the message box. Okay, cool. So this is how you can run a macro without initiating or without opening the workbook. So now tomorrow we are going to look at how you can now then initiate this VBS script to start running without even opening your computer. So we are just going to look at how you can set an on-time event to start running this VBS script. Thank you. Bye-bye.